I never had any opinion about Vivo and Oppo. After a discussion with my friend, I checked V11 Pro over Poco F1 as I'm an ardent Xiaomi fan. The specs were amazing except the processor. However, V11 Pro handles the apps like a charm. I play Asphalt 9 often and the performance is always great. Camera is decent. It makes me look too white and you never get the natural look. Selfie lovers are taken care of with several features and 25MP front camera. Low light capabilities are worst and the processing algorithm works worst under few conditions. When digital zoomed, it smudged the faces and it was too worst in backlit conditions. HDR works decent. Phone feels very light in hand and moving from 5.5-inch display to this I didn't have any issues. I love this display. However, the display is on the warmer side and I had to change it in settings and I still feel it is warmer. Regarding the software, the FunTouchOS is overdone and the updates are very rare. I am not sure about the update support in the future and update to Android 9. Few issues like, when you switch on Wi-Fi in the control center, it goes to the Wi-Fi settings every time. The same applies to Bluetooth. It is irritating when using other apps. Multitasking works only with very few apps. Dedicated game mode is amazing. Search feature in the settings is not there, which is disappointing. The only downside of the mobile is the operating system. Quick charge is amazing and it charges the 3400 mAh battery in around 90 to 100 minutes. It easily stands for a day with moderate usage. Heavy usage may take you around 8 to 9 hours to dry the battery. Amazing piece of hardware with Super AMOLED display which looks great and the display is almost bezel-less. The graphics around the fingerprint scanner is amazing. Face ID works better and in-display fingerprint scanner is sometimes a hit or miss. I rely much on the Face ID which works even in darker conditions. Package has an earphone which is a nice touch comparing other brands who don't care about that. I would definitely recommend this mobile.